Chris, say hi. Judy, say hi.
Hola. Hi.
So, hi guys. Today is fancy day. You always see me in track gears, right? But today is fancy day. I am going to the premiere of Spider-Man, the Jamaican edition. And my date is my daughter, Chrissy. She's getting her makeup done by Judy. And of course, we're at my Airbnb apartment where we're staring out at the National Stadium, the Lofts apartment. And do remember to book this apartment. The link is in the description box below. So I'll be getting my makeup done. I'll be getting dolled up. I'll be looking pretty today for y'all. So I will share with you getting ready with Sofia and Chrissy, my daughter. I am also going to get a tattoo of Spider-Man, a Spider-Man tattoo on my arm or on my back. So I'm going to show you my tattoo artist, like world renowned. So you guys will get to see and watch me get a tattoo. Guys, we're going to miss the cocktail hour before the movie. So guess what? Mama is eating rice and corned beef with mixed vegetable because we're gonna miss.
Bring them for me.
We can share this for the two of us. Can you imagine? Hyundai prepare fancy cocktail hour for us, and we're missing it. Finger food, nice fancy food for their fancy event, guys. The Hyundai Creta and the Hyundai Ioniq are both featured in the new Spider-Man movie. So that is why Hyundai is doing a premiere. Hyundai Jamaica, or Hyundai as we call it, is doing a premiere. So guys, I'm gonna eat my rice and corned beef and hope my belly don't get stuffed so I can fit in my pretty clothes.
I can eat your rice and bully beef.
Rice and bully beef, right? Bully beef, bully beef.
Come here.
This is my tattoo artist. Her name is Jenna, and she's gonna paint a spider on my arm. Since we're going to the Spider-Man premiere, so come on, Jenna, show off your skills. You want to put on the legs now? What? Okay. Alright, Jenna, I'm coming over. Chrissy, so my spider is hot.
Oh,
Whoa, Chrissy looks so good. Oh, Judy!
oh, you're
The guava pine. Sorry.
come.
Guys, can you see the magic that's happening here? I'm getting a Spider-Man tattoo. This is my daughter, Jenna. Wow. Jenna, this is so good. Guys, I'm heading to the Spider-Man premiere. Thank you, Hyundai. Did you know that the Hyundai Creta and the Hyundai Ioniq are both featured in the Spider-Man movie? For my date for tonight. Jeez,
It is for the vlog.
Revenge. I'm a Zendaya fan. I'm kind of old, but I have a young heart. So I just decided to get pretty today. Show up young, show up pretty, and come and represent for Hyundai.
Now the multi-million-dollar film